Welcome back to TOEFL versus IELTS on English Mastery Hub. My name is Karen, and today we are looking at the IELTS speaking section. Let me say up front that the IELTS speaking section can be held up to 7 days before the rest of the exam or up to 7 days after the rest of the exam. So take note that it may not be held on the same day as the exam. For the IELTS speaking section, you will sit in front of an examiner and it will last 11 to 14 minutes. The examiner will introduce themselves and then ask you to introduce yourself and produce your identification document. For part 1 of the exam, the examiner will ask you questions about your life. So this is nothing that you can prepare for. It will merely be questions pertaining potentially to where you live, what you're studying, or are you working, and so that they get a rough idea about you. And it will last for 4 to 5 minutes. Part 2 of the exam, you are given a cue card which contains a question which you are required to answer. You are given 60 seconds to prepare and you need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. Please make full use of that time. Remember, you are being marked on your ability to speak, so just do that. Speak for as long as the examiner allows you to. They will stop you, so you don't have to worry about that. And the third part of the exam will be a time during which the examiner asks you questions about what you have said during part number 2. So remember to speak clearly, look at the examiner while you're speaking, vary your intonation, and sound confident and potentially smile. So those are the points that you need to keep in mind, and you will get a band score of between 0 and 9. That is the IELTS speaking section. Be sure to join me for our next podcast, which will deal with the listening section of the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Bye-bye for now from Karen.